Almost every commercial trucking accident has crucial data that could be very helpful for prosecuting the case. And if a lawyer doesn't know how to handle trucking accidents, they could miss out on that data. Now, here's why black box data and video inside the truck could be very helpful with your case. If you find this helpful, please subscribe so you never miss the steps that'll protect your health and your case. Hey, I'm Rob Hartigan. I'm a personal injury attorney here in Boston, Massachusetts, and trucking accident cases usually come with data and evidence that you typically don't find in car accidents. Now, trucks will usually have what's called black boxes on them, and that'll contain crucial data as far as how fast the truck was going, brake time, speed, as far as how fast the truck was going right before the crash, and also video. So trucks will often contain dash cam video, which will show the driver if they're fatigued, if they're distracted, maybe they're on the phone, they're eating, drinking while they're driving the truck. And that's really crucial data and evidence that you want to be able to get to help prosecute your trucking accident case. Many personal injury lawyers who try to handle trucking accident cases like a regular car accident wouldn't know or wouldn't think to send out a preservation letter to the trucking company to make sure that they preserve this crucial data or to even request it. And those could be huge missteps as far as how your case is handled and what you could lose out. Black box data and video from a trucking accident could be instrumental with respect to whether your case is going to be successful or not. And it all depends on the attorney that you hire and how fast that attorney can send a preservation letter and get that data, which could be crucial to your case. If you or someone you love is dealing with this right now, you don't have to go through this alone. Please give me a call and I can help you get through the steps with this difficult situation.